Hello everyone, welcome back again. So today we're going to learn how to make a portfolio. Example, this is my portfolio. Actually, wrong one. This is a different one, not mine. Yeah, this is my portfolio. I'll show you. Hold on, just give it a minute to load, like always. Yeah, so here's mine. Let me quickly preview. Actually, I'm not going to bother doing that. So, here are mine. Okay. What is it doing? It's just so weird. What? Why is it just... I don't know what's going on. Yeah, so if we actually go on pages, as you can see, here's my work and all that. But I'm now going to show you how to make a portfolio. So you want to head over to Google Sites. Right, if you can't find else, I'll leave the link to it in the description. And then you can pick any one of these. On my opinion, I prefer to use team. So we're going to use team. Once you've loaded into team, here's where you start to edit things. So first, I recommend changing team name to obviously whatever you want, your portfolio, whatever. So I'm going to put test portfolio. Let's call it that. Then you can change welcome if you want. So I'm just going to change it to portfolio info. Like a short description. I'm just going to change it to whatever you want. You can actually delete these if you want. For example, if I don't want that, I can delete it. Now, learn more. So how does learn more work? I'm going to actually teach you. So you want to click on it. So let me redo that because you didn't see. You want to click on learn more. Click on the edit button. And you can change it to what you want, or info, or more info. And then you could link it to whatever you want. For example, contact. There you go. And then it changes it. Now, for these free images, they have done two for you. You can change them by easily customizing. You can change core value to my work. You can change collapsible or uncollapsible, that's your choice. You can click on the image, you can click on links. So for example, this one could send you to projects, and I want this one to send me to project 1, and I'm just going to leave that one. You can change this too. So more work, and then here's a description of your team photo. You can change this to whatever you want. You can change this as well. It's all basically customizable. So when you go preview, so you can click preview up here. Everything is here, right? If you want to insert four images, you can just by easily doing that. If you want to edit the pages, you can go on pages up here. Then click on any one you want. I want to edit projects, so I'm going to click on projects, and it will come up with a load of projects. If you want a different theme, you can click theme up here, and then let's say I don't want that theme, and I'm going to click simple, just simple. There you go. Then if you make a mistake, you can do undo or redo. And we're going to quickly preview it, see how good it is. See, it is very easy to do, and let's test out, let's see if these images work. Ooh, they don't. I wonder why they don't work. Does this one work? Oh, that's weird. That's never happened before. What? Yeah, I don't know why they don't work, but they can easily just switch it from up here anyways. And then once you have done your portfolio, click X to get out of thingy. Once you have done your portfolio, announcement banner. Hold on, I want to see what this is. Okay, so can I move this? No. So I have something, the recording screen, the recording thing up here. You guys can't see it, but I can. So it's refraining me to click publish. So I can't click that. Actually, yeah. I kind of glitched it. So for web address, you want to insert your own web address. It could be anything. It could be dad's cooking lesson, or it could be Roblox advance my portfolio. It could be anything, and this would be what you have. And then you could manage it if you only want certain people to view your site. You can request public search engines not to display on my site. You can make a custom domain as well. Then you want to click publish. Then you're done. You're literally done. Now I'm going to quickly go over something else. So I'll see you in a minute because I have to switch recorders. So see you in a minute. So I'm now on Discord, and for those who don't know what Hidden Devs is, it's like a commission sort of area where you can get hired for commissions. So on here, let's say, oh, I'm a really good scripter and I want to script. Okay, you can DM the person that you're hiring for, or in general look in their contact, and you can do any one of these. But if you want to make your own posts on for hire, you require something called skill points or skills, whatever. I'm not gonna go over it because that's not like my job. But you'll soon find out. As I wonder what this direct message is, because I did post a business post recently. Yeah, it's just another portfolio. Actually, yeah, let's use his portfolio as an example of what portfolios can look like. So, looking at this guy's like Christopher, whatever, I'm not too sure. So he's using the same sort of style, which is really, really good. You can make it as custom as you want. As you can see, this guy has amazing work. Now you want to be careful. You want to do background checks to make sure if it's not like fake or whatever, if they stole it off the internet. You want to really like be careful of that. So yeah, actually he's really, really good. Such amazing work. But yeah, you want to do background checks and everything. Scripts are scripts. You want to put effort into your games, many efforts into your games. This is quite good. Well, yeah, that's the end of the video. Oh, you guys probably can't see the portfolio that I'm showing you. You probably can only see Discord right now. Sorry about that, but we his portfolio is quite good. So if you want, you can actually search up using this. But Anyways, bye everyone. It's around about time to end this video. So, see ya.